Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the best all-purpose Ghana tomato sauce. You can use it for your jollof rice, for your stews, for anything. So let's keep watching. So for this recipe, you're going to need onions, and I've got loads of onions, fresh ginger, scotch bonnet, a lot of garlic, and I've also got some red chilies. Okay, so now I am going to put everything in my blender and then add about a cup of water. Whilst that is blending, I am going to heat up some oil. So I am using sunflower oil, but you can use vegetable, olive oil, coconut oil, whichever you like. And then when the oil is hot, I am going to add some onion granules, which is dried onion. You can also decide to use a fresh one, but I like to use the onion granules instead. And then to give it a bit more flavor, I'm going to add some smoked paprika powder. If you don't have the smoked one, please use just paprika powder. Then give it a little stir. Next, I am going to add my tomato puree. So in England, we call it tomato puree. You might call it tomato paste. Okay. And I'll be adding a lot of it. Next, I am going to stir it. Then I'm going to let it fry for about 10 to 12 minutes. Please make sure you don't go far away from it because it can burn very quickly. Okay, and make sure you stir it constantly. Then I'm going to add some rosemary. This is dried rosemary. You can use a fresh one. Stir and leave it to fry for another 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat. And this is how it looks like now. Next, I am going to add in my blended onion, garlic, pepper, chilies, ginger. And then again, I am going to stir it. Then I am going to let it fry for about 10 to 12 minutes on a medium heat. And I'm also going to cover it. Hey guys, I am back after 12 minutes. I'm going to check on my pepper. Look at this, it's already looking good. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. So I am using canned peeled tomatoes, but you can use the fresh one, you can use chopped tomatoes, you can use tomato passata, you can use tomato sauce, whichever you like. All right, as long as it is tomato. Next, give it a good stir. And then we are going to add in our seasoning. And for this all-purpose tomato sauce, you don't need too many, but I am going to show you what I use. So I'm going to add food seasoning, in other words Maggi seasoning. You can skip it if you don't like it. Then I am going to add my curry powder. This is mild curry powder, by the way. Then I'm going to add 1 bay leaf and some more smoked paprika powder. Now I am going to stir. And then this is totally optional, but I always like to give it just a kick of baking soda, you know, just to remove the acidity of the tomatoes. But you don't have to do it if you use a lots onion. But I like to add just a little kick of baking soda. And I'm saying it again, this is optional, but it does make a difference. Now stir and then cover, and we are going to let this cook for about 20 minutes on a medium heat to low. Hey guys, this is me, and look at this all-purpose tomato stew. It looks amazing. It smells so good, and this is the final result you should achieve. A perfect all-purpose Ghana tomato sauce that you can use for your jollof rice. Just eat it as a stew. You can use it to marinate your chicken. You can use it for everything basically. So this is the end of my recipe. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me messages, comments, share my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye and take care everyone.